Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make jumbo gummy bears. First, gather your ingredients. 4 packets of unflavored gelatin, 1 3-ounce box of flavored gelatin, 1/3 cup of corn syrup, and 1/3 cup of water. Ensure you have a large silicone gummy bear mold ready. This easy method will yield delicious, oversized treats in no time. Now, combine the 4 packets of unflavored gelatin, the flavored gelatin, the corn syrup, and the water in a small saucepan. Whisk these ingredients continuously over low heat. It's crucial to keep the heat low and avoid boiling the mixture. This gentle heating ensures all the gelatin dissolves completely, creating a smooth, clear liquid for your jumbo gummy bears. Once your mixture is smooth and clear, carefully pour it into your large silicone gummy bear molds. Fill each cavity completely, ensuring no air bubbles are trapped. After filling, place the molds in the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for a minimum of 3 hours, or until the gummy bears are firm and fully set. Patience is key for perfect results. After chilling, your jumbo gummy bears are ready. Gently pop each bear out of its silicone mold. They should release easily, revealing perfectly formed, oversized candies. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. Now, it's time to enjoy your delicious, homemade jumbo gummy bears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.